We've been updating, and it's finally here.
Yeah.
$700. What can it get you in terms of a custom PC? We're gonna find out right now. Say something.
Yeah.
And my lovely assistant Josh Minnix of Eat Sleep Games is gonna hand me the stuff as I show you what I got. I got the boxes for almost everything, but I have a dog. Enough said. So, first thing on the pile is Asus M4A88TM motherboard. It is core unlocker ready, which means you have the AMD X4. You can get the extra 2 cores out of it. My buddy here, he told me how to do it, and I can't believe I didn't know, because it's as easy as pressing the 4 button on the start of the BIOS. And yeah, then you have 6 cores. So yeah, here, and just in case y'all want to see, because this computer has been done. So everything you're gonna see before is, well, obviously it's been done, but here you go. Check this out. Rocking them 6 cores. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, this has got core unlocker, Crossfire X support, HDMI support, Turbo V support, and it cost about $90. And it comes with a cool sticker that says, you know, all that junk. It's got, you know, because that's, I gotta have the stickers on my case. So, all right, next thing. Logitech fan. This cost me $30. Now, I don't know Logitech, I mean NZXT, which is what my case is. I wouldn't recommend this because it's caught on fire. I have to take it back. Yeah, it literally caught on fire. I don't know if I didn't do the temperature things right. I may not have, but it caught on fire. I was shitting my pants because I thought my computer caught on fire, which should have been a funny story. Next, please. AMD Phenom 2. Black Edition. 3.0 gigahertz. Quad core. Hex core hidden. And this cost about, what's it, 90? 89. No, this was 120. $9.99. This was $129.99. The motherboard was $90. And comes with this sticker too. So that's all that matters to me, honestly. But yeah, so that's the processor. I know the processor's right in there. All right, what's next? Cheifmax 650 watts, perfect for everything that you need a power supply and 650 watts for. Like the bows. Oh, it was $30, $29.99. Geforce 240 Galaxy, not the card of my choice, but I got this one, and I'm actually running Skyrim, 60 frames per second maxed out. Sometimes it drops to 50, like, rapidly, but that's about it. I'm playing everything currently just fine. I'm going to be upgrading soon, but this costs $59.99. NZXT Lexa S gaming case, $79.99. Way bigger than what I thought. Oh, comes with like a lot of fans and junk. Alrighty. Now that we got everything out of the way, oh, there's a lot more shit too. That like my 2 19-inch monitors that cost $120 a piece. My crappy keyboard, my crappy mouse, cost about $20 total for both of them. Don't show off the goods yet. What else do I got? One more video. Oh, Windows 7 Ultimate cost $189.99, and then the 2 DVD drives I have in there cost about total $59 for both of them. So that's on with the review.